So Trevor, the thing I miss most, we all miss most, is he was so easygoing. It was such great company. He had such a great outlook on life. He was at the beginning of his life, 22. He was sociable. He had a huge group of friends, and he loved his job. Everything, his whole life lay ahead of him, and it's just heartbreaking to think that just hasn't transpired for him, for us watching him go through his life and him with ours. And I think for us now, it's been 25 years. It's such a long length of time, but we still are entirely reliant on the public. We really need somebody or someone to come forward with that piece of information. They've heard something, or they saw something, or they know something, please come forward. It's been a quarter of a century now. It's an extremely long length of time, but absolutely not. That we're resolute on. Trevor would never give up on us, and that powers us through this. The other thing that keeps us going is our dad. He taught us a lot. How to navigate this very challenging, difficult period for us. So in his honour as well, we'll never give up.